Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2016 Dodge Ram Key Fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys ready. Turn the ignition to on, then OFF 3 times, ending in on without starting the engine. Watch the lock cycle to confirm programming mode. Press any button on the new fob until locks cycle again to save the fob. Test all buttons before exiting. Begin by inserting a working key and cycling ignition on, then OFF 3 times, finishing on to enter programming mode. Pause and listen for the door locks to cycle, which indicates success. Within 30 seconds, press any button on the new fob until the locks cycle again, signaling the fob is programmed. Repeat for additional fobs, then remove the key and test each button for lock, unlock, panic, and remote start if available. If the door locks do not cycle, wait a minute and repeat the exact ignition sequence slowly and precisely, as timing matters. Try a fresh battery in the new fob if programming repeatedly fails, and confirm the fob is a correct OEM or compatible model. For persistent issues like no programming mode or electronic module faults, consult a dealer or qualified locksmith with diagnostic tools, since some problems require CAN bus access or module replacement to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.